Brought to you by Penguin.
The Sensational Baby Sleep Plan, written and read by Alison Scott-Wright.
Forward. It is with great pleasure that I write the foreword for the Sensational Baby Sleep Plan. I have known Alison professionally for many years, and am impressed by her practical and pragmatic approach. She has tremendous and rather valuable experience with babies who have feeding difficulties, reflux, and sleep problems, and her practical and clinical skills are helpful to many families and young children. This book offers easy-to-follow practical guidance and valuable advice to all families with babies, especially those who are distressed and colicky. I have looked after children and babies with such problems for the last 15 years, and during this time I have sadly seen babies who experience varying episodes of pain, distress, and/or feeding difficulties. The majorities of babies with colic often look well and may even be smiling whilst in the doctor's waiting room. In this situation, they can pass a normal clinical examination and often gain weight in a satisfactory manner, especially during the early stages. It is only possible for most health professionals to correctly understand the extent of the problem that both babies and parents experience if they monitor the progress of the baby over a number of hours or days, and this is what Alison specialises in. Alison's experience with infants and babies is presented with great clarity within this book, along with some valuable hints and practical tips which, in my opinion, would be extremely useful for all parents and carers of young babies. Over the years, working alongside Alison has proved to be productive and rewarding to both parents and their babies. I hope that this book will contribute further to the awareness of parents and health professionals in the management of babies with colic, reflux, and feeding difficulties. Dr. Mufta El-Toumi, Consultant Paediatric Gastroenterologist at the Portland Hospital for Women and Children.
Chapter 1. Sleep Matters. I have put together this straightforward, easy-to-follow plan based on my years of experience working with the families of newborns. It involves neither demand feeding nor a strictly regimented routine, but is a realistic plan that strikes a happy medium between the baby's needs and the flexibility required in a busy family. The plan helps parents in today's pressurized society to relax into parenthood with confidence and a growing understanding of all it entails. I am fully aware that the existing government guidelines on feeding and baby care are set out to promote your baby's health and well-being, but they are not always easy either to implement or to stick to. In an ideal world, we would all exclusively breastfeed, not work, stay at home, raise the perfect baby and have a proper family unit, masses of help and support, and never be stressed or overtired. As this is not the case for most of us, my plan, although sometimes bending the rules a little, is a down-to-earth and sympathetic approach designed to meet the needs of both parents and baby. It will work for all those who seek a practical and realistic method of baby care. Sleep, or the lack of it, is probably the most widely written about and discussed topic within the entire range of baby care issues. How do I get my baby to sleep through the night is the most commonly asked question and sought-after solution among all those who are preparing for or have reached parenthood. It is a pity that such a negative attitude exists towards the whole issue of baby sleep. It suggests that you will have months, possibly years of interrupted nights, leading to a sleep-deprived, stressful time, rather than to an enjoyable, relaxed introduction to life as a family. By listening to this audiobook and following my plan, you will learn how to implement a flexible daily feeding and sleeping schedule that will result in your baby being able to sleep 12 hours through the night by around 8 weeks old. Throughout the audiobook, I will draw your attention to schedules, tables, and journal entries to help you get the most out of the plan and guide you on your way.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?